how to fix your iPad is not charging or turning on. So if you're just seeing a black screen and you're unable to charge your iPad, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. Now the first thing we need to do is just come over to the iPad itself, and then you need to come down to the charging port at the bottom of the device. Now what you need to do is go and grab a small brush or a toothpick, and you need to try cleaning the bottom of this charging port. Sometimes if you get debris or dust that kind of gets stuck in the port, then this will actually prevent your iPad from charging. So once you've done this, you also need to come over to the charging cable, and you also need to do the same for the cable as well. So just make sure that there's no dust or any grime stuck in the actual charger itself. You can then plug your USB-C cable into your iPad and the other end into a charging outlet. Now leave your iPad on charge for around about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes have passed, you can come back over to the iPad. You can then hold down the power button in the top right hand side of the device and continue to hold the button down for around about 10 seconds. You can then wait to see if your iPad starts up. Now if it's still not working, we're going to try a simple key combination on the device. So tilt your iPad onto its side like this, and you need to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you need to hold the lock screen button in the top right hand side of the iPad. So let's go and do this together now. We're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then hold the lock screen or the power button in the top right hand side of the device. Now continue to hold this button down for around about 45 seconds. Once you've waited 45 seconds, you should see the Apple logo appear. You can then go and release this button and your iPad should now turn on and restart. If it's still not working, then you can try using a different power outlet instead. So if you're currently charging your iPad into a wall socket, you can actually try using a laptop or another device instead. And obviously it could also be an issue with the cable, so try using a different USB cable. Now hopefully by following these steps, your iPad will now turn on and charge. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.